Today we are in the Benoa Harbour. This is the biggest harbor in Bali, right?
Yeah, well, actually, that we are now in the biggest harbor. It's called Benoa Harbour. Actually, whenever like a big ship, cruise ship, and then yeah, like this one, fisherman,
This
big
is the
boat.
big fisherman boats.
Yeah, so they just came here to land, and then also the big fisherman boat. They will go fishing in this area because this place is also famous for fishing spot actually.
Yeah, and we will go also to the end island, which is
Yeah.
port just
Yeah.
next to the harbor,
Yeah.
and we will see how it is over there.
Yeah.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. 'Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free.
Alright guys, so as you can see we are on the... Whoa! Can you see that? Sorry guys. So as you can see we are on the fake island. It's just the construction of this island. It started like 2 years ago, and over there is the airport. Here is the famous motorway, only one motorway in Bali by the way. And yeah, that's the place. Will be some kind of a construction in the future, but we are not sure exactly what's gonna be, so we have to wait for that. And this place is kinda cool, I have to say. I'm first time here, so yeah, it's kinda cool place actually lah. Yeah, it's nothing there. How do you feel, sayang?
Oh, great.
Are you first time here?
Yes.
Honestly.
Well, actually that I normally pass that road, the motorway road, and
Yeah,
then
same as I.
whenever we just pass by, we just, saw the abandoned island, something like reclamation islands. So yeah, and then now we are here watching sunset, but normally sunset beautiful, but today, yeah, it's done. And then yeah, we saw that some of the fishermen are fishing over there and also over there. And luckily now the tide is not that high, so we can go down to the water. And you see there is a small temple over there.
Hello. So many crabs here.
Alright, as you see behind us is the fisherman boats, and also some people are fishing.
Fishing over here.
Yeah.
Where this? Yeah.
Yeah. So this
So
is
cool.
this is so cool, you know. You go to the place where you never been to and then explore, and yeah.
So that's our excitement. That after many years in Bali and everything, you saw almost everything, and you come to something new, and it's so cool.
Yeah.
So, by the way, as you can see over here is so many rubbish. But don't make me wrong, that's actually the good way how the disposal of the rubbish, because the Singapore, not many people know, but the Singapore, where is the Marina Bay, and this is the fake island like this one, and exactly the same way they built the Singapore. They put the all rubbish inside and the cover by the ground, and you can see how's the Singapore. So I don't know what's the construction gonna be here, but I hope so. It will be something very amazing. This island is huge. I was upstairs. This is really, really huge. By the way, everywhere where we are now, as you can see, is the island. But normally 2 years ago was the water, like a part of the Harbour or something like that. So it's very huge, really.
close by the temple, and also we close by the motorway.
My feet is going down to the water. Oh my god.
Alright, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching us, and I would like to say, I don't know,
Sorry,
this is the
sorry,
first
guys.
time I came here to the island that is, totally like, we never been here actually.
We pass this road, well, at least few times a week, but we never been, and finally we're here and happy like a small kid.
Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and then every video, every day.
7 p.m. Bali time, GMT plus 8. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye!
That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel.